We met when we were younger, just trying to find our way. Lost in the confusion of navigating day by day. We didn't have the answers, we only had the time. But every shared adventure felt perfectly sublime. You saw the awkward moments, the failures and the tears, and helped me face the future, calming all the fears. No matter where the road goes, no matter how far we roam, you're the quiet understanding that always leads me home. We don't need fancy titles or a complicated guide. We just need this connection deep down inside. We are friends, the constant anchor in the turning tide, the chosen family. In faded light, the shadows play, bringing back memories of yesterday. Your laughter echoes in the breeze. In the quiet of the night, stars shine so bright. A gentle breeze whispers our story in flight. I'll set the scene for this tale so right, always by your side through the darkest night.
Sorry. Thank you. Morning.
When the world outside is cold and the road's long, and your heart's heavy like a song out of tune, I'll be the warmth that chases the